In this video, we will learn how to change trackpad setting on MacBook, MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, or any other Mac device. So let's begin. So to change trackpad settings on Mac, what you have to do is just go and click on this Apple icon, and here click on System Preferences. Once you are here, just go and click on this trackpad, double click it here, and here you have all the settings. In the point and click, you can select what gesture do you want for lookup and data detectors, for secondary click, for tapping for click. So there are multiple, and here you can just go and select that if you want a light click or a medium or a firm click. And further you can select your tracking speed, you can fast it or slow it. And here you have scroll and zoom, and here you can select different finger movements for different things. And for more gestures, you can see swiping between the pages, how do you want to do that. And here, while scrolling above these features, you can see in the screen that it is showing which finger gesture would you use to do this. And if you want to change, you can just go and select it and change it like this one. So hope you can change your trackpad setting by doing so. But before you go, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.